If you are looking for an affordable and healthy carpet cleaner for your home or business, look no further. AQuality ChemDry is the only carpet cleaner in Flagstaff that has FDA-approved cleaning solution that is safe for pets and family. Our patent technology uses up to 80% less water than steam cleaners who soak carpets with harsh chemicals. This can not only cause mildew growth, but pest infestation. Save our number in your phone, so when you need carpets cleaned, you know who to call. Why choose AQuality ChemDry? Simply because our carpet cleaning service is all healthy and all natural. 100% organic, non-toxic, non-mildew creating, fast dry times in less than 2 hours, and 100% customer satisfaction guaranteed, or 100% money back. Call us now and get a free $20 cleaning certificate if we can't remove that stubborn stain from your carpet. Entire home cleaned for as low as $350. One room cleaned or entire staircase cleaned for as low as $45. Area rug cleaned for as low as $20. Our carpets are so clean, dry, and soft that newborns can sleep on them. Save time and money. Call today.